Apologies, everyone. My computer went off earlier. It was I tripped the cable. Check on my real quick.
Special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like
See London give you a nice setup.
let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck.
Asian session sales we've been waiting for eventually happen.
To the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the
What's good? What's good? What's good?
Good.
That's good. Bye.
I'll tell you what's not good, Will.
Edwin's bank account.
FX.
Man, tell me about it. If I freaking stay away from that, god damn it, Nash took my money.
Man, I tell you, you guys are unlucky in London, man, because on futures, that thing dropped. But on Forex, it went straight to your stop loss.
Ah, yeah. Gideon took the sales, I didn't.
That was brutal.
Oh,
Absolutely
okay.
brutal.
Yeah, he was fucking manipulated, man. Damn. He was
He
so
was.
angry, like, look at this shit. He says like futures already 1-1. And then Forex like freaking to the moon.
Oh man, horrible. Horrible.
Oh, he must have taken it like near London Open.
Yeah. I was
Yeah.
skeptical about the price actions. Like, she already rejected and then like freaking went up. I was like, meh, I don't like this anymore.
But
Didn't take it.
Edwin, were you not here last night during AJ session?
I was actually, and I was waiting for the hourly supply, and she actually tapped it during agent, so I took it myself, and then I got my 1-1.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but during London, the price action is not really clear for me, so I didn't take it. Like, I felt like it's like a 50-50 whether she want to go up or go down.
Oh.
Just looking at the two charts, Forex looks choppy as fuck, and futures looks much cleaner.
Yeah, but now Forex looks like a sales because of the failed attempt to the and minor BOS to the downside too. So if she give a setup, I think it's good.
Not from here.
Yeah, not from here. Like at least the 30 supply for me.
Yeah.
Went all the way up to the 30 supply, then I'll sell it.
So as of right now, guys, I am anticipating sales here, at least from this 30-minute supply. We've got a minor BOS here. This 15-minute demand, I'm expecting it to break, but I could be wrong, because this is London low as of right now. We might not be able to break it. If we do come down, we might just grab this low, tap this demand, and we'll start working our way back up. But for now, I am anticipating sales. So we'll see what happens. So it looks like it actually tapped the 5, because we got a 15-minute demand here. We also have a 5-minute demand here. So we're just going to combine both of them. So it looks like we did tap it, but that does not mean if we want to come back down here, we can't. So we are just going to leave it like this. By Sunday, I'll send you Zoom. I'll send you guys access to the new Discord server. I'll change it on Warp too.
All right.
See if this will help with the engagement on there. Yo, Alex, was good.
Damn, YouTube be sleeping. It's only Alex.
Yep, it's only Alex. It's like me streaming. I gotta freaking make up my own question. YouTube ain't talking. I feel like among forex, futures, stocks, and options and crypto trading, I feel like we have more people that trade forex than every other thing. I don't know.
I don't know.
I could be wrong, but I don't know.
Because if you look at like those future YouTubers like Patrick Wyland and shit, they have thousands of viewers. Thousands.
And the most I've seen on his channel was, I think, 4.
Yeah. So you got that Patrick Wyland guy's popular, trades by Matt and some other guys.
I think on YouTube, Patrick might be the famous one when it comes to streaming futures.
Yeah. But I don't see Forex people with like thousands of viewers. Hundreds, but not thousands.
I mean, there was a time Raja was doing those numbers on his stream.
Oh yeah, that's right, Raja, yeah.
He was doing way more. There was a time I saw like freaking, I think 7 or 8,000 watching was like on NFP.
Oh, damn.
I'm like, shit. 7,000 people, shit, I'll be shaking.
I don't remember how many viewers I saw he had, but I do remember he always had the most. Like, it was him significantly more than the others.
Yeah. I don't know, but when it comes to Forex, I don't think he was the first, but I think he was the one that like pretty much, see, I know it was because of him I started streaming too.
Oh.
I was like, shit, even though this dude got more subscribers than me, if he can do it, I can too. Let's go, let's do this. My first stream, Man, I was behind my desk shaking. If somebody was gonna punch me in the face if I lost or something. Hey Rico, how you doing? Did I end up taking that gold trade last night? No, because we didn't get it set up. The setup happened pretty much down in London. That's why we have London High right here. So the setup didn't happen down in Asia. It eventually happened down in London. NQ pulling back. Okay. You're still expecting gold to go up more? I'm expecting it to go up to this steady supply. Pretty much this whole area here. You also have a 15-minute supply right here. We got here on the 5-minute, we got our first swing between this London low 3468.6 and 3494.7. Even if gold is going to go up pretty much from this low at 3468, we should be able to find rejection any of the supply here, the 30 or this 15 or even the 5 or the 5 right here to the left, and then we reject, it pretty much comes back and reject the lows, right? Maybe give it pretty much a double bottom, and then we start going back up. If it comes down and reject this low again, even me myself, I will look for something like this and then take the buys, anticipating that we are going to break this high. If that happens, then this range right here to the left, that's failed. And then I'm going to keep looking for buys until we pretty much get back up to this previous supply that rejected, and we could actually break it. Just go to where the move to the downside started from, right here. What you need to understand right now is that, okay, this range that we're in, which is from this 4-hour swing high 3533.6 to this London low, price broke lows, we didn't break highs, so therefore nothing wrong if you're still looking for sales as of right now, because that's what you need to be looking for anyways, in my opinion, and that's what I'm looking for right now. I would look for possible buys if we fail to break this London low, pretty much reject this demand, or even the 5, but I would prefer the 15. It's like we got volume today. Good. Asian session was not that bad. We just didn't get it set up. Well, you got this sale yesterday, right? I saw you said something about it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. I sold it like
You did.
here.
You did 3, 4.
But I TP'd at 3500.0. It was like here.
I considered jumping into the sale, but I'm like, okay, you know what? I'll just wait to see the sellers come in first because of this weekend setup. I don't like using the 5-minute resistance. Because remember, I was like, man, we didn't break the 4-hour resistance and stuff. Okay. I will take buys if we do not come down aggressively from this 5-minute resistance. I really expected that it was definitely going to give that setup and not just do what it did and freaking waited till London before he gave it.
Yeah, it took its time before it got back up there, but yeah.
It took too long.
Also, that wick isn't really like a rejection wick because that wick is like there's nothing in there at all. It was like I think it must have happened like as soon as the market opened, and then it just went straight vertical because like it's almost like all zeros in that wick. So basically the volume, it's like it just poked the high of the bearish candle, which is where the volume pretty much actually stopped.
Yeah.
I'm assuming that must have been like, maybe retail traders stop losses from overnight trades and whatever, and then just fucking just went ballistic, stopped them all out.
Oh boy.
Damn. I've been trying to buy this thing as it was coming up, and it's like just wouldn't fill me. Just wouldn't pull back deep enough to fill me.
Over here, it's not okay. If it starts coming down, seeing a rejection, at least from this 5, I'll get him buys. Hey Richard, good morning. Oh, Alex is asking, well, how you doing on Nas and Edwin and Pi? I don't think Pi trades Nas.
I haven't traded Nas in maybe like 2-3 weeks or something. It's been a while.
Man, this week Nas is trash. Man, yesterday I got my new was it week up basically, and then she freaking tanked. And today, man.
I don't know, gold's been working real well with my setup that I've been doing, so I'm not even bothering with Nas. I just go hard on gold, just 1 to 3 trades a day, fucking smash it out and done.
Ah, nice. Man, it's just I saw the setup of Nas. I have to take it. It's like so beautiful until she doesn't.
Let me see. Holy shit, gold. My God.
Hey, this is even better, especially if we grab this high.
Man, we're not grabbing the high. We're fucking demolishing it.
Hey, we could still grab any of them. We could grab this or this London high.
Oh, man. Oh, damn. I don't see the sell, Edwin. I'm sorry. I do not like that London sell on Nas.
Yeah, it's just because the hourly closed below. Like I saw like a minor BOS and then it's possible pullback sales, so I just took it. I'd also see reject like a couple of times up there on the supply.
Because it rejected weekly and yesterday New York POC. So
Yeah.
the thing that you thought broke was him rejecting.
Yeah.
It's volatile.
Yes, it is, Gideon.
Oh man. I saw like a 5-minute demand. I thought it's not gonna hold. That's why I took the sales. Because the hourly like close freaking engulfing, I don't know.
That 5 demand just happened to be the POC, which is the most traded volume, so it's the strongest.
You took sales on NQ? Where?
Wait, is she going down now? Damn.
Man, it's going down now. Man,
I took it somewhere. Let me check.
she did reject the 1 hour on here though.
I think I took it somewhere here. Yeah. And there was like a
So London.
supply.
I think
So
it's
you took it
70
in London.
stop loss on the straight.
Yeah, he must have taken like, you know, like here somewhere around here probably. One of these.
Oh.
Yeah. I took it there because of this. Like I saw this.
You see, this is POC. Weekly
See,
and
rejection.
yesterday, New York. Too strong. Tapped it and yeah.
Yeah, I waited for the freaking basically the second leg of the retest to take. And actually what's make me want to take it because of the 15. It's like she closed this. It's like, oh, she rejected news resistance.
One thing you need to notice about NAS is that its move, it likes to do it at the origination of the move. NAS likes to do that a lot. So pretty much major highs of the range is high, and when it created this low here. So it likes to go to the extreme high. Gold does that too, but sometimes it will still reject the minor high or low of the range. It does this more than NQ. NQ likes to do the extreme high of the range. That's what
and now you gotta be careful. Now it's in a range. It's confirmed range. It's like
Oh man. It's not a range until it's a range to me. I thought she gonna fall like the usual low highs lower low.
very interesting. Here we go. Damn, this move's fucking huge. What the hell? Oh my god.
From these lows?
Yeah. What the fuck? That's 350 pips.
Asian dropped the same.
Jesus.
Now is left possible gaps for us to fill on the higher time frame here. And on this 1 hour time frame closes, if I'm looking for buys, possibly be this 1 hour demand, but we'll see how the 1 hour closes. And London dropped 380. Okay, we're going to fall. At least do it from here. See if we're gonna grab London highs. If I was a sniper, if I snipe my entries, I'll be in sales right now. This is a very, very good place to sell.
It is. But damn, that thing's scary to this short against right now.
The thing is, when I was, trying to be a sniper when it comes to my entries, I would maybe was using tight stop loss. But if you're sniping with your entries, for example, if I snipe this, I gotta have my stop loss place above this high.
Oh.
Not this.
Yeah. It's too easy to get wicked out.
Yeah.
Man, she looks so angry.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna just do 120. I might do 100 because this ruler thing there's no really accurate on here. So just know stop loss will be between 100 and 120. pass your analysis, Jay Smith.
Order filled.
Well, we've been triggered. Mm. $300. On Monday, YouTube, you guys are going to get my my streaming schedule moving forward, and also I'll be giving away 350k accounts from Top One Futures. So we'll do that on Monday, and I'll tell you guys what to do to be able to get those accounts. I was actually gonna do it today, but
Order
we'll
filled.
wait. Beautiful, guys.
Okay, nice.
Beautiful. Good job, everyone. Spam those W's. Good job, good job. This is good. Very quick, easy. So,
Oh my god.
I know, right? So earlier, oh, give me a second. So earlier we were talking about how this supply is a good place for gold to pretty much drop. Even if it's going to go back up, this is a very good zone for it to drop, and this is the reason. So real quick, now if you look at from this high, okay, this is where the move originated from. For whatever reason, that is where we rejected. Now, when we rejected there, we came down. Price created this low. That's number one. And then we went back up. This high created a lower high. That's number two. Now, pay attention to what this high did in return. Now, this high in return came back down, pretty much did not break this low, okay? Created another low, regardless, it still created a low. This high went back up and created another high. All minor high, as you can see. The highs did not break the previous high. Now, this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. Now look at what this high did. Now, this was the high that came all the way down and did what? And eventually break this low to the left. That is why it's a strong high. Okay, that is why it's a strong high, and we came all the way down to create this low. So if we can go back up there, and also plus it's a previous session high as well, London high. Okay, we went back up, rejected it, and this could come all the way down back to this low because this move did not break any major high. If it had taken this London high out, there was a chance it could have taken Asian high out as well, or grab liquidity above Asian high before we actually dropped. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If I was not in this sell, I would still be looking for potentially this move, which it might give, it might not give it, because there's no reason waiting for aggressive selling, then they pull back, and then continuation. There's no need to wait for that setup in this case today, because price did not break major highs to the upside. So we didn't need to wait for aggressive selling, pull back before we actually take it. So I hope that makes sense. It does feel good though to actually have a quick win on a Friday. I don't know about you guys, but
oh yeah,
shit, it feels good.
Feels good.
Oh man. Thank you, Tanji. Oh, hey Matthew, how you been? Wait, what does Forex look like? Is it? Let's see. What does Forex look like?
Doesn't look. It's not down there.
Man,
It's
really?
closer to the highs.
Look at this candle.
It's like futures is down here while Forex is like up here still.
Hold on.
Brutal.
What's going on with Forex? Look at this candle. And we don't have this on futures, and this is also the 5 minute.
It's like futures, we closed down here, and now we're like down here already, and this guy's all the way up here.
We don't have that type of protection on futures. Wow. That's good, Matthew. If I had a payout from top one, no, not yet. Not yet. The only thing that I know for a fact is that top one futures, they do not want sim farmers. And what I mean by sim farmers is people that will freaking buy multiple accounts and they have no risk management. All they do is freaking they just keep taking trades and then they blow the accounts. Buy freaking 5 accounts, blow it up in freaking 2 days, buy another one, blow it up, buy another one, blow it up, and then they eventually were able to pass one challenge, and then they're trying to get a payout. You're not gonna get a payout if that's how you trade. But if you trade real good, you follow risk management, you're not trying to freaking trade your way into getting a quick payout, then you'll be good. And even the consistency rule that they have, 20% consistency rule, if you do not follow it, it is fine, but I will advise you to follow it because, for example, the 50K account, if you don't follow the 20% consistency rule, then your profit target is gonna keep getting bigger. Okay? Your profit target is gonna keep getting bigger. So you gotta make sure you stay in that 20% consistency rule. Like right now, one of the accounts that I'm trading, 50K is supposed to be, of course, 3K, but now I got to make 700 more because I wasn't following the consistency rule until I found out about it last week. So now I've been following it, and when I lose, I would like to lose more, but I don't want that so that my consistency score can drop. But now I got to make 700 more, which is fine. The other account though, I'm following the consistency rule on that one. So that's it.
King. Has anyone else noticed why the fuck is FX here?
I mean,
why?
That was what we were just talking about.
Oh man, crazy.
And hopefully by Monday, FX will get it together. Hopefully.
Man, the bearish candle closed like up here, and the current bearish candle already poked the high of the prior bearish doji.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it's like that. Cause like, look at this candle. Those of you that trade forex, did you even make money from this? Did you get full 1-to-1?
Man,
Yeah, well,
Huh?
Yeah,
it did, but I grabbed 70 because
man, I didn't get it in time. Fuck.
Wait, you still in?
No. I didn't took it. It's like too fast.
Oh.
Fuck's sake, Edwin. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Wait a second, too fast? No, it wasn't too fast, bro. You had plenty of time.
Man, I was waiting for this, like a support, and then I want to take it here. But man, she just
they said that then you were waiting for a support.
Yeah. I thought she's gonna make it here, like when she rejects, then she go up, retest again, close bullish, and then I'm gonna take it here. But man, she just like whoosh, gone.
Yeah, but you should know this, Edwin. We didn't break above any major high from the range.
Yeah,
So
it's just like she kind of like on forex, she kind of like punched through the supply a bit deep. So I was like, I'm not sure. Like I had this as a supply here.
Well,
and
between forex and futures is king. So
yeah, I'm gonna wait. You give me a setup, I think I might try it again. Unless you break them highs.
Forex is like the son or the daughter.
I will say, like, it would be unfortunate if you took that on Forex and you didn't have time to get out of the trade because, like the wick must have happened insanely fast. So that would suck.
Yeah, I think if I took it's like 5 pips to my 1-to-2 as well.
5?
But yeah, I was thinking like 50 pips.
This should continue down though.
It should.
Oh, look at it 1 hour.
Oh wow. You know, I don't know. Will the 1 hour really flip and close bearish with a wick that ridiculous?
Yeah, that would be crazy if that happens. Yeah, that would be crazy if it really happens. I think this candle is going to close bullish.
Yeah.
And then
And it'll probably come
might
back.
reject this 1 hour demand on the 5 and then go back up, fill this week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Like you almost will never ever see a like a bullish bearish, like a bearish candle with a wick that goddamn big.
Yeah, they'll still, this current candles will still leave gaps after the previous 1 hour. That way we have a 1 hour demand here at least. Yeah, Edwin, look for potential buys here. However,
Be very careful.
be very careful. Wait for that retest because number one, this thing broke out of a major low of its range. The buy side did not. Okay, remember that. To the sell side, we broke out of its range, which is that the fact the low that the major high created was taken out. So here, the upside, we did not. So if we reject this 1 hour demand, you need to make sure it pushes up, aggressive buying, then wait for that, for this, and then you take the second leg. If it rejects again, or if we create a demand here, that's the one you should take. Because it could just create a high here, could reject the demand, go up, create a high, come down, and then break the lows. So you don't want that to happen.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. But I think if she went up and didn't break this high, I want to sell it.
Now, if this holds, we should break this high.
Yeah,
We should
I
break
mean,
this high. If it goes
this
up
one
there,
doesn't break.
if it goes up there and reject, wait for that push. The same way you wait for the for the buys, wait for it up there too.
Yeah.
Because there is no point for it to reject this demand here and then go up, reject. If it does that, creates it. So it's just going to create a support if it takes L and then break the highs. Just wait for that second leg to the sell side also.
If it doesn't break the low, then you're trapped in a massive range, and you have to be worried because the range can actually go up into this area up here. So it might like take out this high, but still be within range.
Yeah. I'm gonna just wait for.
And I do feel like because it's Friday, I don't know, we might not break this high. Who knows?
Thinking about it, I should just run away with my Asian wins.
Yeah, I feel like if this goes up and you miss the buys, forget it. Just don't trade anymore.
Yeah.
This is Friday. All right, YouTube, I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Have a great weekend, and we'll be back on Monday. And Monday next week, you guys will get my full streaming schedule now, since I do New York and Asia, but not every day. So I will see you guys on Monday. God bless. I'm out. All right, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow during the webinar.
All right, thanks, Abe. Nice way to finish Friday.
Thank you.
Have a great weekend.
You too. All right, guys.
Thank you.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear.